Hey y'all, just want to do a quick little video to show you I think it's called Toolbox. Has some cool little treats in there. Submarine mode. You can turn the car into a submarine on the screen. I don't know how to work it, so I'm gonna turn that off. Another one's a Santa. You can ride along in the sleigh on the screen when you're using the navigation mode. This one, you can ride around. It's like a video game. You're on Mars, so you're on the Mars environment. It's kind of cool, a little corny. The next one, sketch mode. Do little sketches. Here we have, I think it's like auto tune. No, it's like a garage band for your car. You can set up beats, acoustics, stuff like that. It's kind of cool. It's cute. This one's the fart mode. You click on the seat. You can make it poop. It's okay. But here we go, guys.